Hi, watch this video till the end if you're a beginner at makeup and you want to elevate your makeup game, or if you want to learn how to do your everyday no makeup flawless. Hi guys, my name is Seba and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do your makeup as a beginner for your everyday makeup. Let's just start the video. First thing is that you have to prepare your skin for your makeup, and for that I always use my moisturizer and my eye cream, then maybe a face serum. After that I apply my primer and then my foundation, and on my daily makeup I only use my moisturizer, my eye cream, and on top of it I apply my sunscreen. Right now I have my eye cream and my moisturizer on my face, and then I apply my sunscreen. It is not a tinted sunscreen because for my daily makeup I usually like to go for more of a natural look, and I rather to not use a tinted moisturizer or foundation. Always apply your foundation on all parts of your skin, especially here. And I use a bronzer to bronze my face and give warmth to my face. And you should know that the difference between contour and bronzer is that contour has cold tone undertone and bronzers are usually warm undertoned, and bronzers, as I said, are meant to give your face warmth and give you that bronzy look. Contours are for sculpting your face. Today I'm gonna use this Kiko bronzer stick and just gonna apply here and here. As I said, I don't like to do too much of a makeup on my daily makeup. I use a brush like this and I blend it upwards. My brush had already some of my other bronzers that are more pigmented, and sorry, I forgot to use another brush, but this is okay for now. NARS concealer, and I don't like to use very white concealers. I like my concealers close to my natural skin shade. Let it stay for a few minutes before you blend it. And for my lips, I first use a lip balm. I usually use this Labello lip balm. Very nostalgic and very good. And then on top of it I use this milk jelly tint, and and I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier famous powder with a brush like this. Make sure that you are not using too much powder, especially when you're going out under the sun or you are about to go to a shooting or something. And apply your powder on the oily parts of your face that you don't like. Use more powder at night. Tint again and a brush like this. And I never apply this tint directly on my face because it stains and I cannot blend it very well. I always use a big fluffy brush and a little bit on my eyelids. And this part is very optional, but you can use a liquid eyeliner like this. To give me that almond eye look. And always make sure that you are looking directly in the mirror whenever you're applying your eyeliner. Maybelline mascara. I always use a clear brow gel. I only use a little bit just to make them look like this, nothing extra. And yeah, this is it. This is a very easy beginner-friendly makeup that I think everyone can do, especially if you're a beginner. This is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please share this video with your friends, and please share this video with anyone you think that it might be helpful for them. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.